Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning, and this is the first time that I come to this house. The sink doesn't work properly. The water is stuck, and so I have two choices. Start picking up all the water with my microfiber cloth, like this, and throw it out on the toilet. It takes more time. You never know what's going on in a new house. I'm recording, so this is why I'm taking so long. I have my chalk bag. It's a vacuum that sucks water. It's in the trunk. I can do it faster that way, but I want to record the situation of this house. So I'm taking more time because I'm recording with the other hand. Thus, if you don't have a shock bag, just use a really thick microfiber cloth that pick up a lot of water, and just you have to drain like that. Squish and pick it up again, and then you don't have any water left, and you notify the client that he needs to buy some Drano to fix that sink. Let me pause and show you right now the other way. Okay, now I bring my chalk bag. One, two, three, water is out. So you have to be prepared. If you don't have a chalk bag like this, you have to do it by hand, but it's gonna take more time. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, 407-572-4118. Bye.